didn't want to talk because I don't mean tisa. So that is why I kept quiet. Yes, my name was mentioned, but I kept quiet. I didn't want to say a thing. And then somebody was sitting here, someone was chatting rubbish. People that want to be the like Facebook, no, that is Facebook. I know almost so. I can hear Facebook, and nobody will ever know them, never. So when they see Facebook, as if say some people even here on Facebook, they think they are celebrities. Say, what do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? To come and say what? The lies, people that lie, people that when they hear things, they don't even investigate. They just speak things anyhow. Me too matured for that. I was properly trained. Very, very trained with the taxpayers' money. Yes. So I don't like these things. So that's why when I see a bit more, when I see your character, and if immediately be sensitive, I pull myself. Because I know who I am. So I don't want anybody to come and tarnish me who I am. So when I sense you, I just pull back. There's a please. Yeah? Who does that? It's like, and I promise, the way Sewa is even talking in the video. Sewa say, I must say all these things. That is my disappointment. Must say all these things. I promise you. I told you. The YouTube account. So what? Must we always put, so people don't have privacy anymore. Must you? Oh God. Efufru nipa. Mo be the memo so die. Oh God. I don't know. Maybe I was used to that. I don't miss my way. I am way no. Like how? Like Obi Okra Okojina president Chikra no. It's like what is it? It's nothing. It's not fair. Whatever that is going on, it's not fair on Sewan and Kasa. It's not fair on the family of the. It's not fair on anybody that is involved. Enough. It's not right. You don't put yourself into this. You keep release, put it out there. This is what the president of Ghana did to me. The president of Ghana, he was my friend, and then because he was my friend, I could go to his bathroom. So when I went to his bathroom, he didn't mind, and I took pictures. Nobody asked me to. I took. Nobody should come and tell us, say, it's like the typical Ghanaian, right? You don't know what she's going to. What are you talking about? Some of you girls, I don't know you. You want to go and mingle with big guys. You want to go and mingle with big people. Even celebrities and they say David Beckham money adian kitinkiti kra. Omukro monye A-list celebrities po. Say David Beckham who say onu we pie bibi na okita ne hu video. Do you know who will start chasing you? Omukro monye prime ministers po, any presidents po. What are you talking about? You want to play with fire, and when fire is coming to burn you, I will say, why is the fire burning you? That is how it goes. So you will not go and say, oh, Joe Biden, oh, my mistake, American, no, go burn Joe Biden away. Now, you think the FBI and the people, they will leave you for free? Who told you that? You don't know, yeah? Come and let me tell you people. Some of you, most of you don't know anything. Nothing. Because social media, I look at people.
Oh, yeah, this is, oh, yeah, dear, be a name mine. On ya dear bois or mine. What I see? I dear 1 year, on ya dear bois mine. But me information be a misactor, HSA. I may say, or per se, or yet, Mahama running mate. Ebi opese ene Jane na opoku adwuma so mo ye ne den ebi adoma man hin person Mahama running mate no ja hin ni so we don't know yenim Oh, I'm saying that's the issue. We don't hear them. They say, "What's sorry?" And don't you say, "Okay, airport to be a one sem of bonaf." Airport, yes, okay. Airport, you must so one research. What's the airport na day oh every day now with the propaganda don't allow and my home quine and my ma near me ko boot for boot when you say what and my home quine sir I don't for a minche crab the can't catch them and a minche yeah we bet 30 minutes to play audios enti what person the audio ba betimi dia breme fabre me ba cho muntie number me dey to Jan why me say previous number no the baswa mintimi emmo emamo nti number the be breme a metimi abono e 774 242 0841 me say to be 774 242 0841 a simple number kra 774 242 0841 eno na wo hwehwe me a obenya me wo so eno na wodi audio bia ba metimi abo edi amount enti ba ko no number ba ko de wo frɛ me a unyame wo hwehwe me a unyame wo so enti yanko ne ko tete amamfo nsɛm a wo mo edi abrace si a na afi yehu de ekɔ me po acho say related to asɛm a ye ka no enye related a yentimi emmo audio no nti me sra mo me only 30 minutes penti obia ayi de beba na nya be 2 minutes bi why
so hwe na say offense wo be campaign am NDC a ehini no wo fanto ho no ma me fa t-shirt nche jo ma me t-shirt nche na afi wo hu say wo awura politics won kwa ahemfo mugu Ghana ho won kwa na oyo offense wo anu aye de kasa da bia he sa wani ensade because otumfo ya enu nti wudu wani asi NPP fo so ni nyina ayo otumfo ne hu ayi wahi a dani dan ya na wo kasa ntwi na wo bona kutia otumfo de pa na otumfo de ayo wo se otumfo bie na no aka asemboni bia fa ho da jade wo yankura na wo hu kura abufu kura adodo wo so le no wo kasa ye da bia ade wo kwa na ayo no Ghana wana wo kwa na ayo ne na ye fanse domafo hu donti na ado wo yes a project na kaka wo kwa nkwa na ado ko be project bi wo doma wo de ma sana so be Mahama Syria kola anna jo Mahama esisuo no wa mo na chi sana wa meye project anfa ma ade uye bunia ya pa uye hini bunia uye bunia ni Nyankopon fa bo njem na jade wo ye na bufu etan ugu ankase wakonya na wote so nanimu ase na jade wo ye na doma mu wa events 2016 woka so wo be Mahama Syria kola na ye nto abama no wo ankase wo man for kro wo mfi so man mfi wo man to amana mfa ma NDC ade ede ni bebrebe sana jade wo ya kra nam de wo nya na akola bi kra kasa no ofentia na de wo ye na nye that is good even apom to say it's a tifo ni na that is to ma na wa shada pa na ni teta wo pa no yes ade